not. Let's see, actually. It says it's filming. Did something come on that says that we're filming?
I don't see anything.
It says it's filming 8 minutes. It says recording in the back.
Recording? Yeah.
Maybe we
It
can
is.
check occasionally.
Sure.
Okay, so we're going to roll these dice here. And, I guess we lost it here. Whoa, okay. So we're going to start out with 370. Here, we're going to do it like this. Notice that this is very, very random.
Yep.
Right? I don't pay attention to what I get there. Okay, and now we count the sixes. Warm mustard here together. So you have your.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we have a total of 64 so far. Do you see any more?
I do not.
Okay, so we have 64. We started out with 370. You go to the second one and we subtract it right away. So 370 minus 64 is 306. And we should get a second data point. There we go. Okay, so these are gone. By the way, if we missed one here, well, you know, it's a small thing, you know. It's a small thing. Really.
Here, take that
Yeah,
side.
exactly. Which, by the way, is also
Teamwork.
it's also once we have fewer dice, it's actually going to be easier with the cloth to randomize them.
Oh,
You'll see.
okay.
Okay, so here we go. And again, we can do this. And by simply doing that, there's really no bias involved here when you do this. While you do that, I'm trying to see if it's actually recording. It is. You need one more?
Yeah, I do. There, let's make 10.
Okay. I have 20, you have 30, which is 50. I have another 8, which is 58. I don't see any more. So we subtract 58 from the 306 we have, which comes out to 248. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay, ready to put them in here? Of course, this works pretty well if you have lots of dice. These are from the dice. I'm sorry, what hands?
And 4 hands.
And 4 hands, yeah.
That helps.
Yeah, and which, you know,
And
if
two
you
brains.
have kids, you know, then that works really well.
Yeah.
By the way, these are from the biology room. Apparently, they do something similar.
Oh, very nice.
Maybe
yeah.
they even do the same thing.
Genome.
That could be. I wouldn't know.
Lots of 1s and 2s this time. Interesting.
Oh, I wouldn't know there. Probably stand out a little bit. I don't see anymore, right?
No.
So I got
20.
and 10 is 30 and 8 is 38.
38.
So subtract
Go
38.
210.
I think so, right?
I
210.
believe so. All right. We're getting some points here.
Yeah, and
Not
you
quite
see,
what I expected there.
why not?
Between the first and second.
Well, there's a little bit random, but I mean, statistically, that we don't get a perfect curve. There could be some little bit of errors in there.
Maybe
But-
that is. Sorry.
But I'm going to get it. We can definitely see that the relationship,
We can see the trend.
yeah, the trend, that the relationship will be interesting, yeah. You see, that's actually still recording.
And there's that one and that one. That's it.
Okay, apparently we have, again, 38, which is a little unusual, but that's what it is, you know.
But again, rewriting them.
So subtract, which is going to be, let's see, I'm going to go one down. Yeah, we can do this, and then you can type in R.
Okay,
So-
38 you say?
Yeah, so minus 38.
All right. 160.
I think it's 172.
Yep. All right.
I might actually have to restart. It's going to be a long video.
Yeah.
I'm going to actually stop this for a moment. If you could stop counting.